Good day, learners. Again, this is your teacher, Sir Mulan, and welcome to another video tutorial on operation on integers. On my previous video, I've discussed subtraction of integers, and in this video, I'll try to discuss the last two operation on integers, and that would be multiplication and division of integers. And madali lang to. Okay, so let's start with the multiplication of integers. Multiplication of integers. Okay, so let's say our first operand is a positive multiplied by our second operand, which is also positive. The result or the product is positive. So ito yung rule. So bigay ako ng example under this rule, positive times positive. So let's say I have 5 times 5 is a positive number times 3. 3 is also a positive number. That would be equivalent to 15, which is positive. Next, if our first operand is a negative integer multiplied by the second operand, which is also a negative integer, the product is positive. Like negative 5 times negative 3, we have positive 15. Okay, baguhin naman natin. What if our first operand is a negative multiplied by a positive, yung second operand natin positive, our product will be negative. Example, negative 5 times positive 3, our answer is negative 15. And for our last, let's say our first operand is a positive number multiplied by our second operand, negative, and the product will be negative. So sabi natin positive 5 times negative 3, the answer is negative 15. Okay? Ganun lang kadali. All you need to simply multiply. Let's observe the rule. If both of our operands positive, sagot is positive. Pag parehong operands natin negative, positive yung sagot. Kung magkaiba yung sign ng mga operands natin, like negative, positive, or positive multiplied by a negative, yung sagot is negative. Halimbawa, another example. Say, lakihan naman natin yung value natin. Sabi natin, 1,000 times 22. Positive times positive. Hindi na pala, discourage pala pag-use ng multiplication symbol na times yung x. It might be confused with the variable x. So that would be equivalent to 22,000. What if pareho negative? Negative 1,000 times negative 22. Sagot is 22,000 pa rin. And what if negative 1,000 times positive 22? Sagot is negative 22,000. And positive si 1,000 to be multiplied by negative 22, our answer is negative 22,000. All right, that's a comma. All right, so madali lang. I do hope may natutunan sa multiplication of integers. Now, let's proceed with the last operation on integers, and that would be division of integers. Kung madali lang yung multiplication of integers, kasing dali lang ng division of integers. Kasi, para lang siyang ganito. If I have positive divided by positive, or sulat natin yung equivalent fraction niya, positive divided by positive, sagot is positive. Example tayo. Let's say I have 15 divided by 3, or this can be written as 15 divided by 3. Sagot is 5, which is a positive number. Next, negative divided by negative. I-rewrite natin in its equivalent fraction. They are just the same. Negative over negative equals positive. Diba? Negative 15 divided by negative 3, or yung equivalent, negative 15 divided by negative 3. Bakit magiging positive? Kasi magka-cancel yung sign. Gamit ako ng ibang kulay ng ink ha. Yun, magka-cancel to. Si negative makaka-cancel nung negative sa baba. Pag na-cancel yun, ibig sabihin, positive siya. Magiging ng positive. Okay, dokie. What if magkaiba yung sign? Halimbawa, negative divided by positive. Yung first operand natin is a negative value divided by our second operand, which is a positive. Yung equivalent niya is sa fraction, negative divided by positive. Ang sagot, negative. So, halimbawa, I have negative 15 divided by positive 3. Rewrite natin into a fraction form. Negative 15 divided by 3. Ang sagot is negative 5. Next, what if our first operand, positive, to be divided by a negative value, yung second operand natin? Rewrite lang natin into fraction. Positive divided by negative. Sagot is negative. Para lang siyang multiplication kanina. Pinalitan lang natin yung operation. Pero pareho lang yun. Kailangan parehong positive para maging positive. Parehong negative para maging positive. Isa lang ang mag-negative sa operand. Katulad ito, negative divided by positive, or vice versa. Positive divided by negative, negative yung magiging sagot. So let's say we have positive 15 divided by negative 3. Rewrite natin into its equivalent fraction form. Positive 15 divided by negative 3. The answer is negative 5. Okay, apply na lang sa larger number. Just apply the same rule. And for sure, if you follow the rule and you know how to divide, you will arrive at the right answer. So I do hope may natutunan ngayong araw na to sa last two operation of integers. God bless and see you on my next video.